Wish you a very good morning, students. Hope you all of it. Today I am here with a new literature topic, that is We Love Nature. In this lesson, we are going to talk about Nature Day, and on this day, an activity is being conducted in a school and different tasks have been assigned to all the kids. So this is the chapter all about, and on this page here we have a picture. You can see Anil and Fiza are at a picnic with mummy and papa, and what should they do? Put tick or cross in each box. So this is done for you. They should throw waste in the dustbin, right? They should. Number 2, chase the birds away. No. Clean away after eating. Yes, they should. Pluck flowers. No, they should not. Use cloth napkins. Yes. Now, on the next page, we have the story. Let us start with this. Today is a nature day. Mrs. Parua has divided the class into 4 groups. As I have told you, this is a nature day, and Mrs. Barua is the class teacher, and she has divided all the students of the class in 4 groups. Neha, Aslam, Mary, and Jaspeer are in group 3. Their poster will be on We Love Nature. So theme of the poster is We Love Nature. Neha has paints and brushes. Jaspeer has pencils and erasers. Aslam has crayons. Mary has chart paper. So here downside you have to recognize the picture of these 4 kids and you need to write their names. On next page we have Mary puts the chart paper on the desk. Here is the picture of Mary. She is putting the paper on the desk. And Aslam draws with crayons. When she puts it there, then first of all Aslam draws with crayon and Jasmeer writes with a pencil. Neha paints with a brush. So all together they are doing a teamwork and they are making a beautiful picture. The children make a pretty poster. They give the poster to Mrs. Barua. She puts it up on the classboard. Neha, Aslam, Mary, Jaspeer are happy. So we should learn that whenever we work together, we work in a team, we give a best result. So this way they have made a beautiful poster. Now we have back exercise. First of all, part A, name the children. Who has paints and brush? Neha. Who has crayons? Aslam. Who has pencils and an eraser? Jaspeer. Who has chart paper? Mary has chart paper. Part B, fill in the blanks with words from the box. Number 1, Mary dashed the chart paper on the desk. Mary puts. Number 2, Aslam. Aslam draws with crayon. Number 3, Aslam writes with a pencil. Number 4, we have Neha paints with a brush. Number 5, they make a pretty poster. In part C, we have read the words on the word wall and look at the picture. Write the correct words from the word wall. So here we have number 1, please raise your dash. So what is there? There is the picture of hand. So you will write down, please raise your hand to answer the question, and this hand we need to circle in the word wall also, right? So same way you have to do rest of the sentences. In part B we have part D, read the words in the box and find them in the word search. In box we have few words and we need to find them out in the word search. This is done for you. We have the words duster, pen, book, chair, bag and ruler and table. In part E, we have to read the words and write the correct numbers in each numbers in the circle. Circles are made and we have to number them. In part F, this is your homework. What you have to do here? You have to add as to make many words. Like there is one rabbit, you need to add s to make it plural, rabbits. In the same way you have to do rest of the words. Part G is cut, part H is also cut. Then I is what do you do after school. Complete these sentences with words from the box. In the help box we have few words, and seeing the picture we have to complete the sentences. I have my lunch. Number 2, I dash for an hour. I sleep for an hour. Number 3, I drink milk. Number 4, I go to the park. Park's picture is there. I play with my friends. Yes, friends are also there. Part J is also cut. In K, you have to do it yourself, and this is your homework. If you do this on your birthday, color the balloon yellow, and if you do not do this on your birthday, then color the balloon blue. Here we have words to learn. This is your homework. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.